And welcome to Two Tired Teachers.
We're here at Crystal Springs U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Park.
And we want to talk to you about Corps of Engineer parks.
They're wonderful.
Well, we are by no means experts.
No.
This is the fourth one we've stayed at. And but in the process of choosing those four, we've looked at a lot of
Yes,
others.
and they have been beautiful parks if you like trees.
Well, there are advantages and there are a few disadvantages to the parks. Some big advantages are,
when you look on the website, you can often find pictures of the exact website. Plus,
you mean the exact campsite?
Yes, campsite. Sorry.
And it gives you an idea. Now, some of them don't have the exact picture, but you can reserve a specific site, and a lot of state parks don't offer that. I know Texas doesn't.
And it tells you exactly how long the site is going to be, so you'll know if your RV and your tow vehicle will fit.
Exactly. And so that makes it really nice to be able to see the site often. Now, not all of them have pictures of all of their sites, but at least kind of a sampling. And you can choose this, so you can see exactly how long it is, and then you can choose the exact site that you want. So those are both big advantages.
Now, we'll warn you.
And they are very well maintained. I feel like these parks are beautiful.
They're at least as clean or cleaner than the state parks. I mean, they've been immaculate.
Well, and the other thing is, this right now we're sitting in a national forest.
Yes.
In a Corps of Engineer park that's managed by the Corps of Engineers.
Yes.
And
Ouachita National Forest.
Yes, Ouachita National Forest. And these are beautiful sites. Now, so far, 2 of the sites that we've had have had water and electric, and 2 of them have just had electric.
Yes, and so be careful with that when you're making your reservations.
If that's something that's going to be important to you, you want to know that beforehand.
Because I didn't look real carefully, and I signed us up. We were fine, but we did get 2 sites that didn't have water.
Right, and
at the site.
At the site, it was really nearby. As a matter of fact, one of them we were able to connect to the water hose from where we were. Well, both of them.
Yes.
We connected the water hose from where we were to our fresh water tank and put water in there. So we got by just fine, and water was really nearby. And also at both of those, they had potable water at the dump station.
Yes.
So that was handy. But if you really like state parks, or national parks, then the Corps of Engineer parks definitely might be something you want to look into.
And especially if, plus, in an area like we're on the Ouachita Lake, in an area like this, there are numerous Corps of Engineer parks around. So if you find a park you like,
or an area that you like,
it's full, just look a little harder, because there's probably another one. I know at both Table Rock, where we were recently, and last year at Altoona Lake in Georgia. Altoona, you said you thought there were...
Actually, at Table Rock, I think there were 13 Corps of Engineer parks around that lake. It's so massive.
And I think there were probably that many or more at Altoona. It's a huge lake. I think there are about
6 around this lake. I'm not positive, but they're really nice parks. They're well maintained. And this one, the sites are smaller than they have been at the others. The others, we still have a grill, we still have a fire ring, we still have a picnic table, but they're a little closer together than they have been at the others. We've had some really massive sites that have been Corps of Engineers. But if you like the state parks, once again, this is a good option. And to see the sites that we are staying at, we have a video about Birch Cove.
Yes.
And we'll put the link for that video. We have the link for the Branson area, and that was a Corps of Engineer park.
Yes.
We'll put that video. And then this is, like we said, in the Hot Springs area, and we will put a link, obviously, to this area.
And we may even shoot up a couple of pictures of Georgia.
And yeah, we do have some pictures of the site there in Georgia, so you can have an idea of what that looked like. But we had not done any research really beforehand when we started looking, and so if you're not familiar with Corps of Engineers, this might be a good option.
And we were a little hesitant at first. The big disadvantage is that there aren't trails, or we haven't found trails.
This one says it has a trail, but the roads are really nice, and the dogs and I get plenty of exercise going out on those on the roads here. So Anyway, might be a good option for you.
Thanks for watching Two Tired Teachers.